Good afternoon guys. Today magluluto ako ng sweet and sour fish. Ang fish na gagamitin ko guys ay isang fish tilapia. Yun. Ito yung fish. Ito yung fish ko guys. Gagawin ko ito sweet and sour fish. So unang gagawin natin guys ay prituhin natin ang ating, we are going to fry our fish. Yun, yung pinakauna, prituhin natin ang ating fish. Yung little bit of salt guys sa ating mantika para paglagay ng ating fish, hindi siya masyadong mag-spill out, okay? Lagay ko muna guys nang hindi pa siya masyadong mainit kasi para hindi siya mag-spill out. Okay? Prituhin natin in a low-medium heat ng ating isda. So, ito na yung pinirito natin guys. Oh, pinirito na tilapia. Fried fish. So, guys, yun ang ating fried fish. Gawin natin sweet and sour fish, guys. Tilapia yan, guys. Hi, guys. Umpisan na natin ang ating pagluluto. Okay? Naglagay na tayo ng konting vegetable oil ng ating wok or karahay. Then, we are going to proceed our cooking. So, we are going to add our garlic. Hintayin lang natin guys na ma-lightly brown ang ating garlic. Now, we are going to add our ginger. Bibigay talaga siya ng aromatic itong ating mga niluluto guys. Okay. So, yun. Sunod na natin ang ating red onions. Ang ating tomatoes. At saka ang ating green hot chili. Ang ating bell pepper. Yung capsicum guys. So, hintayin natin mag-translucent. Guys, maglagay tayo ng half chicken cubes. Half chicken cubes ng ating sweet and sour fish. Then, yun siya guys. Tapos guys, ang ating isusunod guys, ilagay natin ang ating pineapple. So, I am just using pineapple tidbits, guys. So, ilagay ko lahat ito, guys, pati ang juice. I am just using 115 grams, including the juice. So, hintayin natin ng konti. Then, tikman natin guys. This is sweet and sour. So, maglagay tayo ng kunting vinegar. So, I think 1.5. 2. So, 3. 3 tablespoons of vinegar. So, tikman natin guys. So, unti-unti lang yung vinegar na ilagay ko guys kasi ano yun, bawal sobrang maasim. Yung itansya nyo lang guys ang timpla nyo kasi magkaiba kasi tayo ng taste. So, yun. Tikman ko muna. Oh, tama na. So, yun lang, 3 tablespoons of vinegar. So, I have, maglagay tayo ng konting oyster, guys. Ano lang ito, guys? Mga half teaspoon. Lagyan ko ng konting hot water. Yung oyster sauce ko guys na half a teaspoon, nilagyan ko na lang ng mga 3 tablespoons of water. So, tansya-tansya nyo lang guys. Naubos na yung aking oyster. Maglagay tayo guys ng a little bit of soy sauce. Kahit mga 2 tablespoon lang. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. 1. So, tansya-tansya lang talaga ang pagluto, guys. I have added a tomato sauce that is around 115 grams. That's to add the flavor in our sweet and sour fish, okay? So I put 2 tablespoons of light brown sugar. So, tikman nyo guys ha. Tips guys, tikman nyo lang kung yun ang naaayon sa inyong pag-taste. So, yun ang pinaka-importante guys. Okay na siya guys. Ilagay ko na ang ating fish guys. Little bit of siya, may konting So this is our fish guys. Nilagay ko na lang siya by hands guys. Naman yung hands ko guys. Clean. So yun. Natin guys, simmer natin guys for 5 minutes guys ang fish na nandito ang ating sauce para yun, siya guys, mo-absorb yung sauce ng ating sweet and sour sa fish natin guys. Hinaan lang natin ang ating apoy guys and simmer this for 5 minutes. So, yun lang guys. Yun lang ang ginawa ko. Kung gusto tayong kumain ng masarap guys, yun, tiyaga-tiyaga lang guys. At saka, tansya-tansyahin nyo lang. So, yung lagyan ko ng carrots, guys. Pali malagay na ito na magiging half cook ang ating parang flowers. So, yan i-cover up natin, guys. Maliit. So, yun. Simmer for 5 minutes. Yung naka very low heat tayo, guys. Para tingnan natin, guys, ang ating sweet and sour fish. So, yung ano, guys, yung nanay-nanayan ko before, hindi ko na lang ito i-flip over, guys. Supposedly, kailangan ko po siyang i-flip over, pero ayokong masira siya, guys. Mawala ang beauty niya. Kaya ganito na lang. Mawala ang beauty niya. So we only need few minutes to go. Tikman ko muna, guys. My God, napakasarap. So, yes, that is our finished product. Sweet and sour fish. Look at our carrots, guys. So, napakaganda ng ating carrots. Yung carrots natin, guys, ay So, yes, that's it. Lakasan natin ang ating apoy para makita natin ang kagandahan ng ating pagkain. Yun. Kita nyo, guys? Wow. This is our sweet and sour fish. So, guys, that is our sweet and sour fish. That's our final products, guys. So, mag-platings na ako ngayon, guys. So, that's it. So, that is my sweet and sour fish, guys. Ayos lapiang isda, yung fish tilapia. So, thank you for watching to my channel, guys. And please don't forget to subscribe, likes, comment, and share. Thank you for all your love. And God bless us all. Have a good time. So, happy weekend to all of us. God bless and bye. Have a good time.